everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Prioritization Helper. The first thing to note is there's 3 ways to use Prioritization Helper: pairwise comparisons, matrix scoring, and value scoring. Today, I'm going to be going over value scoring. This is used for prioritizing records of any Salesforce object, even custom objects. It's perfect for lead scoring, letting IT know which bugs to tackle first, or prioritizing customer service cases. Value scoring has similar use cases as matrix scoring, but the method is a little different. Let's create a new entry. First, select the object you want to prioritize. These dropdowns will show all the available values, even custom created ones. In this example, we'll use accounts so sales knows who to follow up with first. Now we add conditions for calculating scores. Choose a field that will influence the object's score. It can be a positive or negative impact. Then decide the comparison operator for that field and input the number or text that fulfills the conditional statement. Put in the number of points that this condition should add or subtract. Use negative numbers to subtract points. Optionally, add the point value that any field option outside of this condition should have. Otherwise, leave it 0. Save your condition and repeat for any other conditions. After all the conditions are finished, you can create range labels. This section is optional. Choose the number of labels and whether you want them divided linearly or exponentially. The range increments will automatically be created for you. Decide if you want a text or image label, and then put in the text or image that you want displayed. The delta symbol next to each label quickly shows the range of point values each label covers. In this example, we have 14 and 15 points. This is more useful when choosing exponential growth, as it will give smaller segments to the lower range scores, while linear gives equal points to each label. Next, you can do a records preview. This step is optional. Use this page to preview how the defined conditions will apply to the actual records. Press the Find Records to Preview button to search for records. Here, if we look at our Passage Technology account, they are labeled as a customer, so they gain 10 points, and that is the only condition that they qualify for. So their end result will be 10 points. Finally, in the last tab, type in the desired field name, then press the Create Field button. This field will be automatically added to the page layout and become visible to all users. You can further configure that or other details of the field by clicking on the link to the field definition page. It's important to note that changing the conditions or labels does not automatically change the formula. To write any changes, please navigate to the last tab where the field was created and press Update Field. Value scoring is great for teams as it provides a more straightforward visual input than coding, which makes it easier for any team member to create. It's also easier to change in the future rather than having to change the code itself. Plus, priority scores are always up to date with 0 delays, can be used in reports, and does not require database updates. Now, sales has a lead scoring tool that can change based off their priorities.